Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great Ask a Ninja question from Michael in Kingston, New York. And he wants to know, what is the best way to attach plastic or vapor barrier to a foundation wall that's already been spray foamed? Stay tuned. Okay, Michael, that is a great question. We get that question quite a bit. It's going to be a fairly short answer, but before I get into it, I'd like for you to know that at Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to basements, attics, crawl spaces, and ductwork. So we hope you'll subscribe to the channel and ring that notifications bell. All right, Michael, so I'm going to read your question. In my crawl space, the entire inside cement block wall is covered with closed cell spray foam insulation. This was done before I owned the house. What is the best way to attach vapor barrier to the insulation? Thanks. Well, that's a great question, Michael. And one of the things that we found, you kind of have probably multiple options. And by the way, if you have an answer to this question and you've had to install plastic or vapor barrier to spray foam, I'd love for you to comment down below what you all did. But two of the ways that we do it is if it's thick enough, you can actually pre-drill a hole, and a Christmas tree fastener actually has enough grip to where you can go through the plastic and even latch into the foam, to the spray foam, and it'll hold. Okay, so we've done it that way. And then the other way that we've done it is we've used more spray foam, put the plastic up, and then spray foamed the plastic to the foundation wall or to more spray foam insulation. So those are a couple different ways you can do it. There's obviously probably adhesives out there that are okay. Not all adhesives like foam board and spray foam, so you got to be careful if you're using some kind of caulk or something like that, like liquid nails. I think it eats up the adhesive or the spray foam, so you want to be careful with that. But they do make some foam board approved adhesives out there, and even foam board approved spray foams out there that you could use. But all of the spray foams we have on our DIY store, and of course the Christmas tree fasteners on our DIY store, should be able to help you out with that. Or you could do a combination of both. If you do both, pre-drill, put the Christmas tree fastener in, and then spray foam over it, then you've got both an adhesive seal as well as a mechanical seal. So that's a great question, Michael, and hope that helps out. And again, if you guys can comment down below out there in Crawl Space Ninja Land what you have done to do that, any advice for Michael would be great. My name is Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.